Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. And as you can see here, we've got the list of preferred languages. We've got English and Spanish. So let's start with adding new one. Let's tap on other languages. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. I will choose maybe Turkish. Your device will ask you whether you want to set the chosen language as a default one, as a primary one. So just tap on apply language. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one languages added right here on this list, you can quickly change them by reordering the languages. So let me set English. So let's tap on it and hold it. And now we can drag it to the first position. And as you can see, immediately the English will be, or any other language, of course, will be applied. So this is how it works. You can quickly change the language here. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now we can mark the languages and tap on remove again. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left, or any other language, of course. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.